Here's an interesting app called Ladder Strength Training Plans. So here you have that, and then you can just go and install the app Ladder Strength Training Plans. Try Ladder completely free for 7 days, no payment collected during trial. Ladder is the #1 app for strength training. Women's Health 2024 Best Tag, CNET, Training Best Training app. And yeah, one of those, gym apps, but this offers some nice planning to better plan your workouts, save time, and train on your schedule. So let's just take a look. You can easily create an account with Apple. I like that. It's like, for me, it's the fastest way to create an account.
Hey, welcome to Ladder. I'm seeing
most you fitness. Can just see some confident things, and then you can just select exercise styles, and then you can just
hi friends, I'm Coach Andre.
Find some coaches, and then unfortunately you need to upgrade. There is 7-day free trial. Welcome to workout, and there's day 5 is trial reminder, and then day 7 the trial ends. So yeah, that's basically how your free trial works, and that's how you can just try it out. And then you can set up notifications, but then there is also some preview mode where you can just get some preview. You can just complete your first workout, and seems you can get something, some videos. You can get some preview.
Welcome to Ladder. I'm Coach.
And some videos. So yeah, that's the idea. So give it a try.